Welcome and thank you for joining us as we explore the vibrant community of Ewa Beach.
We're excited to showcase our newest listing on the market. Hi, my name is Bridget Townsend and this is my host Jennifer Minor, and we're both realtors with Liz Sotheby's International Realty and the Oahu's Luxury Group.
Now let's go check it out.
We're here in the thriving community on Oahu's sunny west side. Ewa Beach offers a unique blend of island charm and modern conveniences, making it one of the most desirable places to call home in Hawaii. This area is known for its lush landscaping where tropical plants and greenery create a serene and beautiful environment. The community is dotted with parks and open spaces, perfect for outdoor activities and family gatherings. Ewa Beach is also a golfer's paradise, home to some of the island's top golf courses. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, you'll find a course that suits your skill level, all set against stunning backdrops of the mountains and ocean. Beyond the natural beauty, Ewa Beach offers a strong sense of community. You'll find a mix of new developments and established neighborhoods, all with easy access to schools, shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Whether you're looking to relax by the beach, enjoy a round of golf, or simply soak in the island lifestyle, Ewa Beach has something for everyone. Discover why so many are choosing to make this beautiful area their home. We're here in the beautiful gated Arbors community. Enjoy the convenience and functionality of a single-family home in this charming 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhome. With no neighbors above or below, this residence offers the feeling of seclusion and tranquility, and experience the comfort of a full bedroom and bath on the ground floor, a laundry room inside, a 2-car garage, and a yard overlooking the golf course. This townhome is the perfect blend of comfort and convenience in a peaceful setting.